How to recover deleted Instagram account. Now let's say that you have deleted your Instagram account, but it's not yet 30 days after you deleted it. Therefore, you can just type in your phone number, email, or username and type in your password in order for you to log into your account. It has this 30-day grace period where you can recover your account. Now let's say it's past 30 days already. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to go to the Help Center and just go to Chrome and then type in help.instagram.com right here and then search for disabled Instagram account. Now you just have to scroll down. As you can see, it has a login issue. And then you just have to type in, was this helpful, and said no to that. Then you just have to pick a reason why it's not helpful to you. As you can see, this says that you can't really access or log into your account. So the next thing you're going to do, let's say the solution doesn't work here. Now you can just say more and report something to Instagram in order for them to understand what's your problem, what happened to your deleted Instagram account, and how they can recover it for you. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.